Hello everyone, this is Prajwal Verma from MECD Aspirants. I welcome you all to the 33rd episode of Tutu Talks. In this talk show, you ask questions and we reply them in the form of videos. Sir, I do not have any sponsorship from any company to do my DNS. So what should I do? Like, what should I do? He's like, what should I do? Should I give IMUCT? Is there any benefit for me to give IMUCT exam? What should I say, man? Like, I've answered his question so many times. But still, he wants me to answer this question again. Okay, I will do it again, and I will do it again and again. Till there is still a guy who wants to know about this. Okay, I will answer this question again and again. Till how many times you ask? Okay. So the question to answer is, there are many benefits of giving IMUCET exams. Number one, if you do not have sponsorship and still want to do your DNS, Shipping Corporation of India gives sponsorship on the basis of your IMUCET rank. Only IMUCET rank, does not consider any interview. Nothing. Whatever have you done in 10th? 10th, just 60% marks. In PCM aggregate, 50% or plus in English, either in 10th or 12th. Okay. This is their eligibility criteria, same as IMUCET. So they only consider IMUCET ranks. So why not? Next is Synergy. Synergy is the same. Top 200, top 100, they just directly call them for interview. And this year, many companies are waiting for IMUCET to happen. After this, many companies will only consider your IMUCET ranks, because this year boards are not happening. Everything is messed up. Okay. So try your best in IMCT. There is still a lot of opportunities out there. Many companies will come after IMCT. I am not guaranteeing anything, but it is better to have this opportunity. Okay. It's not a guarantee, but there are 99% chance that companies will come after IMUCT, because I am hearing lot of talks about this from colleges, from students, and all of them. So please do not miss out on the opportunity. Like, either, like, you are assuming, sir, 1%, what about 1% if they don't come? Think, if they came and you are not prepared, and there's some of your friends who are prepared and they got sponsored, and your 1 year is mess up. You do not want to do that to yourself, okay? So prepare good for IMCT. And still, if they do not come, SCI is always there. Okay, SCI is always there. But these are options that you will get after you score very well in IMCET. Okay, so these are still benefits. And next, after 2 months, you might lose your interest in DNS and might think, I want to go to college. If you do not have good IMCET rank, how will you join a good college? All the good colleges are affiliated with Indian Maritime University. So if you have a good rank, you can apply for IMU Navi Mumbai, known as TS Chanakya, IMU Chennai campus. Both are government colleges. And then Tolani is also there. I think Tolani, you have to fill Tolani private form separately. And also, if you have filled IMCET and scored well, then you are also eligible to do BSc Nautical Science from top IMUs. IMU Navi Mumbai and IMU Chennai campus. Last option is, you totally lost your interest in that side. You want to do engineering because you want to explore more. You do not want to be the head of the ship. You want to be the head of the company. You want to be the MDs, because as you know, most of the MDs are engineers. So you want to go in that direction, or you want to even give Indian Engineering Services examination, or you want to go into research and all the stuff, or you just want to be in engine side. There are a lot of opportunities in engine side, but there is a lot of risk in doing marine engineering. Placements are low and competition in jobs is really high. But if you get a job, very well. But if you talk about deck side and all, opportunities are less and competition is also high. In engine side, there are a lot of opportunities and a lot of competition, but you have a lot of options, right? In deck side, your option is smaller than inside. So there is a chance after 2 months people change. Like, you are a kid, man. You haven't seen much. Like, I'm talking to students who had just passed their 12th, got influenced by social media influencer or watched some YouTube videos. Like, people sometimes get influenced. We are emotional when we are small. Okay, we might change after 2 months. Okay, I do not want to do this. This is not for me. My aptitude does not match with this. I have to do something else. I want to do engineering. Then you have an option to apply for IIM Kolkata campus or IIM Mumbai Port campus or IIM Chennai campus. But I would prefer if you join IIM Kolkata campus. Okay. I think I have answered your question. Thank you very much for watching. I am a study aspirant signing off.